Look at the next question here, students. F of x is equal to g of x into cos of 1 by x, x is not equal to 0. Where g of x is even function, differentiable at x is equal to 0. Passing through origin, then f dash of 0 is. Dear students, g of x is even function. That's what is given. See, observe carefully. We have g of x is an even function. This is the most important line here. If g of x is even function, then g of minus x is g of x. G dash of minus x is minus g dash of x. I hope you are following this. Let me write it and explain. G of x is even function. G of minus x is equal to g of x. Differentiate both the sides. Minus g dash of minus x is equal to g dash of x. Minus g dash of 0 is equal to g dash of 0. This is possible only when g dash of 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, g dash of 0 is equal to 0. This is a very, very important observation here. G dash of 0 is equal to 0. This we are going to adopt in our problem. Right? So, with this knowledge, look at the question. You are asked to find out f dash of x. What is f dash of x? Is equal to g dash of x into cos 1 by x plus g of x into d by dx of cos of 1 by x. Is that correct? Now, what f dash of x? What is f dash of 0? F dash of 0 is g dash of 0 into whatever it is plus g of 0 into, we have something here which I am not bothered about it. G dash of 0 is clearly 0, 0 into anything plus g of 0 is 0, 0 into anything is clearly 0. That clearly says option B is equal to 0 is clearly correct. See, g dash of 0 is 0 and g of 0 is 0. We are just substituting it. G of 0 is equal to 0. Why did I get g of 0 is equal to 0? Because the curve is passing through origin. If the curve is passing through origin, so g of x is passing through origin, g of 0 should be equal to 0. Let us take the case of y is equal to x square. When x is 0, y is also 0. So that clearly says g of 0 is 0, g dash of 0 is 0, therefore the answer is 0. Right? Therefore that clearly says option B is correct. Please make a note of this, dear students.